Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to replace a clip in Capcut. So just simple. Before going to the tutorial, please click subscribe button and notification bell so you getting more videos update. Okay, for example, I am going to replace this clip. Just tap on the clip that you want to replace, and then you can tap and swipe the toolbar at the bottom all the way to the right until you see the replace icon. Yes, and tap the replace, and you can find the clip that you want to add. For example, okay, so just simple. Okay, that's how to replace a clip in a Capcut. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe, and you can click thanks button for appreciate. Bye bye.